How to create an effective move-in and move-out inspection checklist. Inspection checklists have become an essential component of responsible property management, especially in markets with steady rental turnover such as Pinellas County. As more residents relocate for work flexibility, lifestyle changes, or seasonal living, landlords face increased demand for accurate documentation. A comprehensive checklist provides clarity for both parties, protects security deposits, and helps maintain consistent property standards across tenancies. Why inspection checklists matter. Rental transitions today happen more frequently than in previous decades. Areas like St. Petersburg, Seminole, and Largo continue to see strong demand from both long-term residents and newcomers, making it critical for landlords to establish a clear record of property conditions. A well-prepared checklist acts as a neutral reference point during move-in and move-out, preventing disputes and ensuring a professional, transparent process. What to include in a move-in checklist. A move-in checklist serves as the property's baseline condition report. Each room should be inspected with enough detail to provide an accurate comparison later. Interior features. Walls, ceilings, baseboards, and paint. Flooring condition, including carpet, tile, or wood. Windows, screens, locks, and blinds. Doors, hinges, handles, and security hardware. Light fixtures, electrical outlets, and smoke detectors. Kitchen items. Appliances and their functionality. Cabinets, drawers, and countertops. Sink, faucet, and plumbing connections. Bathrooms. Toilets, tubs, showers, and sinks. Caulking, grout, ventilation, and water pressure. Mirrors, lighting, and hardware. Living areas and bedrooms. Closets, shelving, and accessible outlets. HVAC vents, thermostats, and filter conditions. Exterior areas if applicable. Landscaping, walkways, and patios. Exterior doors, screen enclosures, and lighting. Photographs or video documentation add an important layer of accountability. In Florida's climate, where humidity and seasonal storms can accelerate deterioration, visual records help verify what is new damage versus natural aging. What to include in a move-out checklist. The move-out checklist compares the current condition to the move-in record, identifying changes beyond normal wear. Direct comparison. Each line item should be checked against the original documentation. Issues such as wall damage, broken fixtures, or unapproved alterations should be clearly noted. Cleaning standards. Common checklist expectations include floors cleaned and vacuumed, appliances wiped inside and out, bathrooms fully sanitized, windows cleaned, trash removed. Coastal rentals in Pinellas County often include additional items such as sand removal or mandatory air filter replacement. Final returns. Record the return of keys, access cards, garage remotes, and confirm any final utility responsibilities. How to strengthen the checklist's effectiveness. Use precise, neutral language. Avoid subjective descriptions. Clear, factual notes reduce misunderstandings and protect both parties. Share the checklist early. Providing the form at lease signing establishes expectations long before move-out day arrives. Conduct joint walkthroughs. Whenever possible, perform the inspection together with the tenant. This encourages transparency and allows immediate clarification of any concerns. Store records securely. Keep completed forms, photos, and correspondence in organized digital files. Documentation becomes essential if a disagreement escalates. Conclusion. A well-designed inspection checklist is more than a procedural step. It is a practical safeguard for landlords and tenants alike. In active rental markets such as Pinellas County, detailed documentation protects property value, reduces conflict, and supports a smooth turnover between residents. With consistent use and clear communication, checklists help maintain high standards and ensure each tenancy begins and ends on solid footing.